Do you have students that are struggling to add integers? In today's video, I'm going to show you a math intervention lesson on adding integers using integer chips. This is going to help take your students from beginning to mastery in no time flat. Hi, my name is Bran Hicks, and I'm here to help you learn how to teach in a differentiated classroom. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you'll get notifications of our next video. If you're a returning guest, let me know. Was one of my videos helpful? Did you have any questions about the materials? Did you find them useful? How did you use them in the classroom? Let me know in the comments. This video is part one in a 4-part series of helping struggling students through the addition of integers and the full learning progression. In this first step, you will be learning how to teach your students how to add with integer chips. Let's go ahead and get started with this lesson. In this lesson, we'll be walking through an introduction, a guiding question, teacher modeling, independent practice, and an assessment. Introduction. You're going to start by reviewing the academic vocabulary. And in this lesson, the academic vocabulary is going to be integer, positive, negative, and sum. Then you're going to give each student a set of 10 integer counters. Explain to the students that the orange side is the negative and that the yellow side is the positive. If there's any confusion with that, you can take a Sharpie, write plus, minus on each of them for the positives and negatives. It really does help. So you're going to start off, display 1 negative counter in the top box of the 10 frame. Display 4 positive counters at the bottom of the 10 frame. Then explain how pairs of counters counteract or cancel one another out to form 0 pairs. If the 0 pairs are removed, what is the remaining counter balance? Guiding question. How do 0 pairs help visualize integer addition? Let the students talk and share ideas based on the previous knowledge of addition and subtraction and how a number minus its opposite is equal to 0. Teacher modeling. Say, I'm going to model an addition sentence with integers. -4 plus 2 equals question. I will represent each number with counters as I go. Show. Place 4 integer counters orange side up in a row. Place 2 yellow counters directly below them. Say, a pair made of 1 positive counter and 1 negative counter have a value of 0. Show. Because pairs of positive counters and negative counters have a value of 0, you can remove each pair from your model. 2 negative counters should be left in your model. Say, the answer to this problem, -4 plus 2, is -2. Ask, what do you think or know about positive and negative integers after seeing this demonstration? Listen. Students may respond with words like they cancel each other out or they make 0 pairs. Say, I'm going to model another addition sentence with integers. 4 plus -2 equals blank. This time you will represent each number with counters as I go. Listen and observe. Students should place 4 integer counters yellow side up in a row and place 2 orange counters directly below them. Once their model has been established, they should indicate the canceling or creating of 0 pairs and removing them from the table. The remaining integer counters should be 2 positive counters. Repeat with the following addition sentences. -3 plus 4 equals 1. 4 plus -3 equals 1. -5 plus -3 equals -8. This model is going to require a little additional explanation as there's no canceling or 0 pairs, so you want to make sure to put some clarity on that if some of your learners are struggling. Independent work time. Give the students a set of integer chips and a practice worksheet. Read the worksheet instructions aloud, reminding the students that the highlighted words are the vocabulary or the instruction words. Then ask the students to read the highlighted words with you and define their meaning. The students will complete the differentiated worksheet with or without the manipulative assistance based on their current level of understanding. Assessment. The summative assessment worksheet is differentiated so that it contains 4 skill-specific questions, oversized fonts and graphics, highlighted text, proficiency scale for fast feedback. As a release from the scaffold of the manipulatives, students will not be given the integer chips on the assessment, but can doodle them on their page if needed. Teaching tip. If your integer chips or counters don't have positive and negative symbols on them, use a permanent marker to add symbols for further clarity to the students who may be confused by just the color. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, and stay tuned. You'll get a notification when we film part 2 in the Adding of Integers series. See you then.